Hello, my dear all students. Welcome again to our channel Gyan Manjari Online Education. So, in our last lecture, we had started our next topic, our new topic, and that is our grammar topic. And in our grammar, we have started our tenses. So, as we know, but let's repeat somehow a little bit portion. So in tenses, three main tenses are there: past tense, present tense and future tense. In each tense, it contains four tenses. For example, if we are taking present tense, so in present tense, simple present tense, continuous present tense, perfect present tense and continue perfect present tense. So yesterday we have started our simple present tense. So let's go further with this topic. So we had started our simple present tense. So in simple present tense, total two parts were there, right? Without verb and with verb. So we will go with structure. So it's kind of our repetition. Okay, so let's go with structure. Without verb. Okay, so in without verb, structure subject plus am, is or are plus object plus other words. So it's our structure, right? So we will take one example on the basis of this structure. Okay. Okay, so example, they, subject, then am is are. We will use are because with they are is coming. Okay, they are my friends. So it is our simple structure example. It's our simple example. Okay. They are my friends. So whatever it was about without verb. Now we will go with verb. Our second part with verb. So in with verb, which kind of structure will become? So subject plus V1 plus object plus other words. Okay students, so it's about our structure of with verb, right? So we will go with the example. So here we will take One example, they sing a song. So it is our very simple example. We will go further and further with our complex example, but it's just very basic knowledge of the tenses. Okay, so this portion we have completed. Simple present tense, it is divided into two parts. Now we will go with further, and the next topic is a new rule. Which kind of rule? To have. What do you mean by to have? Means हमारे पास कुछ होता है तो भी हम कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, uses of have, right? So here we will take two different kind of examples. Whenever we use have, two times we use this. First, that I have a pen, right? I have a pen is our first example of to have. And the second, I have to go. So here students, you can see we have used have for two purposes. In the very first example, here we have used I have a pen. मेरे पास एक पेन है. So it is our first use of have. And the second example we have that I have to go. मुझे जाना होगा. So which kind of uses are there about to have? We should know that when we use have. So when we see third person singular. What is third person singular? So it is he, she and it. So they are our third person singular. So whenever we see he, she and it as a subject, on that time we will use as or as or es at the end of the verb. Okay, so let's take the example that how to use this rule. So here we have taken one example that she washes her clothes, right? So here we have used washes, not just wash, but washes, right? So whenever we have taken third person singular, on that time we will use s or es. So you all know that rule. Whenever s, sh, ch, x, o and that kind of verb letters come at the end of the verb, on that time we will use es. Otherwise we will add just s. Okay. So whatever the topic we had covered, it was just affirmative sentences, right? So let's go with negative sentences. So students, here we have the structure of negative sentences in without verb. So what is the structure of negative sentences without verb? First we will take subject, then am is are, then not, object and other words. So let's take one example. So here we have taken one example. We are going to take one example. Subject, they are not my neighbor. Okay, so it's our example of without verb, especially in negative sentences. Okay, so now let's go with verb structure. So students, here we have the another structure, but it is about with verb and it is about negative sentences. So what is there? Subject plus do does plus not plus v1 plus object plus other words. So here we will go with our example. She does not complete her homework. Okay. So here what is our subject? She. Here we will use do or does. Whenever we use here as a subject third person singular, with it does we will use. सब्जेक्ट में जब हम थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर यूज करेंगे, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर मीन्स ही, शी और इट, उनमें से तीनों में से जो हम यूज करेंगे उसके साथ ही डज आएगा, अदरवाइज डू विल बी कम. इफ हियर वी हैव यूज्ड दे, सो वी विल यूज डू, बट हियर शी डज नॉट कंप्लीट. अब अगर आपको ये होगा कि यहाँ पर तो एस ई एस लगेगा, नहीं, यहाँ पर इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस यहाँ पर V1 ही रहेगा और इसके साथ S या फिर ES नहीं लगेगा, बिकॉज हियर वी हैव ऑलरेडी एडेड डज. whenever third person singular come, on that time only we will use does. So she does not complete her homework. It is our structure of negative sentence in with verb. Okay, so I hope students you all know that when we should use any kind of this kind of sentences. So in your homework you have to write down 5 sentences of negative sentences of without verb and 5 sentences of negative with verb. Okay, with structure. Okay, so first of all you have to write down, पहले आपको structure लिखना है और structure के मुताबिक आपको वो सारे sentences use करने हैं, and be sure कि आप सब use करें. कहाँ जो भी आता है, मतलब कि you can also use all the nouns. Okay, you can use the name of the person or any that kind of words. Okay, so here we are going to end up our today's lecture. I hope you all understand it very well. So we'll meet next week. Stay happy, stay safe, and do your homework regularly. Thank you, my dear students.